What's up guys, Matt here with Jesse's channel, and today I just want to show you all a quick review of the crock-pot manual slow cooker. The one thing I love about the crock-pot is how simple and versatile this thing is. With its easy to use manual settings, you can effortlessly make great meals with minimal effort. The removable stoneware insert is not only convenient for serving, but also easy to clean, making your cooking experience hassle-free. You would be surprised how easy it is to make great meals with this thing. So if you're looking to simplify your cooking routine and create delicious home-cooked meals, I highly recommend getting this product. 10 out of 10.